Brodda, Brodda.
Jesus! Jesus.
I think say na that Brodda on I won't go up. On a for tell me who could give on our food for this house. Go forbid me of this brother. I want make I suffer. Hey, come make I go buy on a biscuit. Come. Yeah.
What's up, my people? On a day, now your boy OBIKING, and I don't come back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. Of course, guys, you know what I always ask you guys to do for me. Make sure to watch the video to the very end. That's just it. And if you enjoy it, subscribe. It doesn't take anything away from you. Drop nice comments and share my videos. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Yes.
I don't worry when we get home.
Hey, Daddy. I love your brother.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Love it.
Hi, Daddy. I am Nduka.
Yes. Mommy, wow. Welcome back home. A very good day. Welcome, my wife.
Hi, Daddy. I love Nduka.
My dear.
Hey, Daddy. I like Nduka.
What be this? You still dey wear this kind clothes sleep. What did they worry this woman self?
Hey, Daddy. I like Nduka.
Can you imagine?
Not let any girl deceive you go marry.
Can you imagine?
As I never see it online, it they worry me and it they give me concern. Where you at? My body no fit set it down. Yeah. Okay, we got
Remember, we are saving for the rainy days.
Super talk.
Taxi! Wait! At the good restaurant, where did they?
Your money now 18,000.
Nasty, this is the devil speaking. Remember, we are saving for the rainy days. Get out!
They don't think like they go.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Sorry, please come. How much is the water?
65,000.
I mean, wait till I come again. How much is this water?
70,000, sir.
For just water?
Oh, plus the Japanese chicken. That is 470,000.
Rainy days, no. Rainy days. When go back.
If I hold in my hand.
Go back to money. No. Rainy days. That's no man.
God have mercy upon us.
You be tell her,
Yes, sir.
somewhere you carry tape for night.
Happy New Year, sir.
Ogatino,
Yes, sir. Sir, now the clothes be this, sir.
close of since last year, December. Now you they bring her come.
Sir, no be so. Sir, you no be say before Christmas, police carry me.
Police arrest you.
Aje.
What you do?
Now, once soldier clothes, I go pass with police clothes. So, they come carry me, go police station. You never think why I come outside like this, boss.
You got a tough man.
Wonder shall never end.
I
No be,
swear.
sir.
Because of you, my children wear JC on Christmas Day.
Sorry, sir.
JC and boxer.
No be, sir.
They do Christmas.
Sir, I don't have them pure clothes too. Make the cook well for Valentine.
Children for Valentine.
Oh, that's true. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. The fee keep up for Children's Day.
Ah, wow. Well, not be what you tell me be this now. You remember last time when you come mention these children? You remember what you talk?
I remember, sir.
What you talk?
God have mercy upon us.
Oga tell her when this their clothes go ready now. Because now Christmas they won't use them.
Let's have it.
Boss, just give me tomorrow. You go see him.
Tomorrow.
Aje.
Not be tomorrow, you tell me.
Yes, sir. But nobody knows tomorrow, sir.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
You are an incompetent tailor.
Customer is always right, sir.
Oh, God. You know what? Bring the cloth.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your patronage.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Sir,
Continue.
my balance, sir.
Your balance.
Yes, sir. Sir, in case you don't get cash, you still use Bitcoin, sir. I go trade that with Ethercoin. I think they fast and live.
I'll prefer that Bitcoin.
Thank you, sir.
Chinedu.
Continue.
Ejiro. Look away. Look away.
I don't reply.
How na day now? Now not do an assignment. Sir, I feel like they do am.
Now the assignment when they give them for school be that.
Sir, you're picking the beat me, sir.
They could have beat up.
Sir, you're picking the beat me.
Okay.
Don't worry, customers are always right.
That one don't play. Check out. What you did? 3-1. Correct.
1.5.
Who they give you games, sir? You will not be focused. I can't get this good game.
I tell you, say na bet fuse now. Who won't give me prediction again? Me on my own, I dey feel predict.
I wonder.
Bet fuse na the best soccer prediction site right now. They feel they give you 99% soccer prediction. Who be say go they use?
Are you serious?
They know even only they will be say they will go their Telegram group now. Tap the link to join. No. Now, you fit even go on your Play Store, download their Betfuse app.
Your Betfuse don't get
They go show you sweet scores where you go to predict.
Wow. Now go to use this bet fuse.
Yes,
I don't tire to the bet blindly.
I better check this one again.
Don't. Now go Abi. Don't play.
What did they play?
1-1.
Good.
Come, it's just the man you know that this game.
Man, you. No. Man, you know they near my sleep again. Ha! Betfuse self don't even tell us for now. Make we leave Man, you. They don't really understand Man, you this period. So, Man, you please don't say that again, please.
Oh, chim.
The last one, home win or draw.
90 minutes. 3-2. Who they win? Home they win 3-2.
Come on.
More they go to show. This game don't play.
I don't chopper.
Yes. You go find me something. On my phone, we use check them out.
Now, wow, something must reach you now.
More they go.
This one enjoy day.
Bring money.
That game what I play. You don't enter.
Don't enter?
Yes.
Yeah, at least this one man you know cut and
I tell you.
I have ready the ticket.
Bring ticket, mu collect money now.
Yeah. You don't think I clean your shit. You don't think I clean your shit. Let me best do you this one, now your village people. Nice.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Jesus.
I don't think I clean your shit. I don't want them.
Ah, bros, what I know?
Well done, my brother.
Which one did they do now?
People they come here, they come shit.
Oh.
That's say my born as small man develop my land. Oh.
So you know born am yesterday, oh. You know born am last week, oh. No, these people where they shit for you, it not go better for. No,
People don't shit now.
Hey, Baba, you know where enterprise is so tall, it's your wood. Ah, Baba, hey, try you know try at all. Last year you no give me anything for Christmas. This year too, New Year you no give me anything. Ah, Baba, you come and share love, fam. Baba, they patronize you now. Baba, no worry. Baba, give me toothpaste and bread. Èmi kékeré tí ó kéré. Baba, I get money, say you just say hello muwa.
Baba, I get money. You don't get money.
Ó ní láti kọ́ ní láti ra mọ́tò láti fẹ́ yàwó ẹ̀ sílé ẹ̀ gangan. Ó lè pa àwọn ọmọ ní máa lọ skul náà. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ dá ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi tó bá jáde ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi. Kámẹ́rà wà lókè tó. Kódà kámẹ́rà dà.
Enough Ajimo. I get one for 16 wey be 16 gig. Aje, I wan sell am before on the 16 o mo re.
You don't go You don't go carry person phone.
Madam Flay and Sauce Beauty Salon. Well done, no.
Thank you. Welcome. How about Gabi?
It is smoky, boo.
What do you talk?
All back now. Now what you they do normal?
You know, say you use see finish enter 2025, and that's a very bad character. Why you can assume say na all back I want to?
No be like that. No sir, just small. You be no normal and it's also all back.
Okay, so I know they capable of to do another head. I know they capable say another head now go do another style. And they use this bag can't do all back. You know what there inside?
Not true. I no even look. I no look say you carry bag. I didn't see.
Now so you go take me as customer. Make I go and that place they will value me.
No base. I didn't know. Say na new year, new beginning. No best now.
Look at my face.
Ma, if you do new beginning head now.
Go change your character. I know they like them. I know they like them.
Sorry. Which one? You don't do packing jar or woman twist?
I tried. I won't do.
Jesus!
You say?
Try. This one go.
From all back to thread.
You say waiting. You make me. I got the one. You make me naked. And you know say that thread you come do. You know say that thread you come do. I go thread up your life.
Can you imagine? She even though you go down.
Hey, madam, start up.
It's working. So how much be your money?
7,000.
7,000 for waiting. This month where you do, I got collect 5,000.
No problem, I'll bring them.
See, my baby, they come. When you come, ask something. I will show you love.
Okay, whatever.
We are in business. now.
Baby.
Yes.
Is it done with the car?
Yeah, it's working perfectly.
How much is it?
100,000, eh?
Yeah? 100,000?
Yes.
No problem, let me get cash inside.
100,000 for waiting. I think you make it ask something. It's too much now.
You tell me to say this one a baby now, but this one a chief.
No, wahala, so don't tell her 100,000. I will add 4K for you. Everything will be 10,000.
I'll let you will learn a 50-50.
I don't understand. You tell me say na 7,000.
Okay. She said I play.
You say na 50-50.
Yeah.
I go give you 50-50.
Help me, I beg, help me.
My hollow, a 700 do. But are you uncle?
Umokoro.
Okay, out of you.
How far relax?
Okay, they drop. What of you now?
I be evil man.
Okay, they drop. This motor. You know what? I know one wahala beg. On down there. Two. What be this one now?
Don't which way they go. You know which way they go.
Jesus, my bag! Jesus, I must help me! My bag!
Come here! What happened now? Let's go with us! Make an this man! How far relax?
You did the one.
Go and ask your grandfather.
I could have killed a lot.
Don't worry, madam. It's okay. When you get to the station, you will explain. Sergeant, move in. Move.
Just a look.
Now, madam, who are you? No illiterate will be employed in this company. I tell them I said so. You don't have any credentials, no credibility, nothing. I can never employ. Leave my office. I can never employ an illiterate. I said leave. Go. I can never employ you in this company. Go. Just go. Leave my office. I will not tolerate it. Whatever signature.
Yes.
Young man, you cannot travel 7 seas and 7 oceans. Come here and be looking this sad. Tell me, what is troubling you? Why are you here?
Baba, I don't find work for many years. This afternoon, I get interview to go. And other people did the interview. I want as I go there, may they accept me.
You want Agkaay to help you pass interview?
Yes.
That is the smallest thing that Agkaay can do. Very good. Come, see me, baby. Oh, Miss Amana, oh, me, baby. Oh, do. Agkaay boy. Take this.
That's when they do chat for yourself, they go interview. Can you imagine?
Put it in your mouth and be licking it gradually. Do not speak or talk to anyone till you get to the interview. As soon as you open your mouth in that interview, even before you say anything, they will give you the job.
Can you imagine? Now you make another talk.
Jesus!
Jesus. Any reputation in my company, you will never be employed anywhere. It's not done. Such insolence. Who's the next person? Come in, please.
Okay, no what, I don't forget the work.
Come in, come on, try your luck. Forget about the rancor.
Okay, person give me luck, I won't try, no make and who I be. Okay, forget about the work, but just ready to come separate fight for outside. Just ready to separate fight. What's the young boom? Come outside.
Una mind, no go touch ground.
Can you imagine? How about this?
How person go take make and this year?
Yeah, don't worry. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Where are you?
Babe, calm down.
You even travel without telling me.
No, babe. Listen to me now. No, understand.
Understand what? You didn't even send me the money you promised me for X month.
No, babe. We shouldn't be doing this. You know that. Calm down first.
I should calm down. No, you calm down.
Photo.
Alpha bro. I beg give you a fit trade. I need cash.
Yes, now. A currency app, and if you allow you trade your BTC, Ethereum, and gift card, even USDT for instant Naira. You can also earn with the app by sharing your referral code with your friends, and when they trade on the app, you will receive a referral reward.
Mad.
Should I tell you so I can explain everything, give you later now?
You just disappeared.
Babe.
When you were toasting me, you told me you were going to treat me like a princess.
Listen to me.
You listen to me.
Listen to me.
You listen to me.
Listen to me.
You listen to me.
Guy, go carry this thing out. What did they worry? Go carry this back now. We talk about how we go take make and this year. You make call, babe. Go carry this back.
Oga, Lanya.
Babe, are you there?
Yeah! You're not for sure, man. You know they have that.
Jesus. Who be that man? You the man?
Hello, back.
I'm just saying, make sure you won't fire me.
What thing that's all? You?
My brother quit the hot. As I dey like this, if I see one-on-one, you not going to believe what I go do you.
This guy, the quick best.
Brodda.
Jesus.
I think say na that Brodda on I won't go up. On a for tell me who could give on our food for this house. Go forbid me of this, but I want make I suffer. Hey, come make I go buy on a biscuit. Come. Yay!
This man they always do like old papa. I don't understand.
Even me myself, I shock.
I shock you.
Who they run? I want guide.
Eh?
I beg, give me update. See, all my mates they buy motor, build house. Just look at yourself now. I think two of us we are going the same school. You are doing better than me.
What you be expect now? Now so it's supposed to be normally. But no problem, I will help you. But looking at it, one of my friends will get club, they find strippers, and you get nyash for belly. If you do stripper, I'm talking anything bad.
Momo, which have you talking anything bad?
You like to be twerk.
Home of laughter.
See what happened now? I take K homes now. K homes apartment when they for peanuts for Saple Road. That new apartment I dey there now. I bet do me they come. I don't do all this on things. Hello, see what? It's not the reception. Something came up. You are your period. For this period. Which kind of they talk now? When they pay you, don't know say you're done your period.
She done her period.
Okay, I'm fine, no wahala. That your friend, if you send her come.
She done her period.
That was it on her period. Yeah, I invest this period though. When I go refund though, you go refund. I invest this period.
Refund Pluto.
No refund, no wahala now. Say I bet you this your period no will ever stop. I say I might not be Pluto. No problem now. Test it tomorrow morning, you'll see me for your father agree. No wahala.
Release all the boss.
Pluto don't reverse.
I'm fine, girl. How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
So how's the economic doing you?
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I just might go follow you discuss.
Okay.
Continue, oh my God.
So I just see what they follow discuss. So what's your name?
I'm Lopez, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Auchi, sir.
So you sleep here?
No, I'm on duty.
But one time you say at least my room day free.
No, we don't do that here.
No, I don't say man you can't sleep with me. I just say can't sleep for the bed.
At K Home's apartment, it's prohibited. I'm sorry.
Hey, what is that shower? When you want to stand outside?
We don't allow it here. At K Home's apartment, it's not allowed.
Anyways, after I didn't do advance.
See well, that period you know where about dry. In case you change your mind,
Continue.
apartment.
I never see this kind of thing before.
Good morning, sir.
Who are you?
How was your night?
You want to tell me say no know how the night be?
Now wow.
Tell me how was your night? Now I use AC take kill me.
Everywhere you're cold, room cold, black or room.
Now I see buy drink, beer, everything you're cold, Now I use coke, finish me.
That's our standard, sir.
Environment, you're calm, I come out for night, no scroll, no shower. That's what it's supposed to be.
At K Home's apartment, peace and quiet is what we give.
Who sound a peace and quiet? Who sound a peace and everywhere quiet? And they find words to the time say environment, peace and quiet. Beg you.
Sir, don't you like the way this place is quiet? Don't you enjoy the peace you get here?
No problem. But that's see why a period, you know, we ever dry. Jesus.
Hey!
Jesus.
Who got them? Come on, Ben, stand there.
Plus, good afternoon.
Stay there, stay there. Don't they shit, they shit. You get mine, come on, man, they go shit. Stomach take the turn, myself. I know they do that. I think the stomach done the turn before. Now I own the turn.
Jesus.
Hey!
Jesus.
Who got them? Come on, Ben, stand there.
Plus, good afternoon.
Stay there. Don't they shit, they shit. You get mine, come on, man, they go shit. No shaking.
Child bros, now my first time I been no vest.
So now you be those people with shit for ya. Capon. Yes. Baba, come. I don't see one of those people with shit for ya. Baba, come to this man, no. Hey! Just bend down, the shit.
Hold on, I don't think so.
Baba, why they play ball like this now? You won't want me. You won't want them. Put body for football now. Who try and be why they play ball like this? Don't be small jabbing. They play at Jabota football for you. No, foul ball, I beg. A street football they play. Who try and be foul ball now? You want chop foul? You know, go your family house. No go your past. Go chop foul. Not be foul, no while and I go to you back. Who should know what? Leave them. What's a Jabota football? Always wants to play football for you, my guy. Cost the back. Do this. It's not your first and do it. It's not your first and do me.
You don't break up one leg.
Body. Nice one. I see you. No shaking. Nice one. I thought I'll do you back. Yeah. So they fear you. No shaking body.
I said I fear you. You go fear now, don't worry.
If you miss the ball, don't miss the leg.
I don't want peace. Take a head score.
Hey, sorry. I think I don't want you, man. They follow these people, they play ball. They carry bad mind, they play ball. Officer, I feel what in my picking. Officer, arrest them. Can you come up for here?
Move. What's that here now? You walk in Amati. You reach our town. I just want to go call police for street before. Come on, my seven.
Now football, oh. Baby God, don't bring you come my man. Baby, they see camera. Your mind, you get contact. Don't come my territory now. Now be you be this.
This evening you will die.
Shit for my cabin. Your mind go day, you go pack shit too. You see all this shit where you shit everywhere. All the whole shit way full everywhere for this place. Pack everything A to Z.
Jesus!
Make a pack another man shit. Come on, gas down jet. Pack everything. They just.
I
pack everything.
They don't they pack the shit. But for this guy, they chop better food. And shit, they smell everywhere.
Everywhere. Pack here. Go inside that inner cabin. Go inside.
My cigar don't even quench the smell of the shit. They pack that shit.
They want blue one where they inside that cabin. Go pack her. Hey, go pack shit today. Don't pack her. Don't pack her. Finish, Abi. Carry and go down inner chamber. Go pack all. Pack both male, both female. The guy one way pampers there on top. Pack everything. Go pack shit today. Your mind go day.
They go shit.
Plus, I don't pack and finish.
You don't pack and finish?
I don't pack everything finish.
You sure?
Boss, if you walk around, I don't pack every sheet finish.
How many you pack?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
54 sheets.
Don't try. Don't try. No. You never pack finish now.
Boss, if you ask your man, I don't pack the sheet finish.
No, you never pack finish.
I don't pack everything.
You don't whine me? You don't pack my shit.
True.
What?
You don't pack my shit.
Pack your shit again. No, one shit. No. Me go pack her.
Capon never shit. You say you don't pack finish.
But your shit go too fresh to pack now.
Now fresh trouble you enter now. So you go pack fresh shit. Your mind go day. Oh yeah. You go Capon one go shit.
Jesus, my brain one blow.
The echo. I said the shit you the pack her. It's okay. I said the shit you the pack her.
Come on, go now. Can't come again now.
Too easy.
Can you imagine? Which guy, who does that? Who does that kind of a thing? Which one as you dey shoot, you go pack am? Don't try that kind of thing. No. Though I know say you get some cultists where their mind they back, they fit do and undo. But anyways, I don't encourage cultism. So if you be cultist, I beg, just stop am. You get. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to check out my other videos. Check them out. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Subscribe, like, share. And of course, I'd love to see you in my next video. So, peace out.